ielts writing task 1. In this lesson, we'll read 3 pie charts, brainstorm the key features, and build a band9 model answer, step by step. Here is the task. The pie charts show the proportion of users across different age groups on 3 apps: Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Our job is to summarize the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Let's read the data. Each chart splits users into 5 age bands: 10 to 17, 18 to 34, 35 to 49, 50 to 64, and 65 and over. Take a moment to compare the 3 platforms before we plan. Three things to remember for task 1. You describe and compare the data. You never give your opinion. You select the main features rather than listing every number. And you must include a clear overview. Aim for at least 150 words, in about 20 minutes. Now brainstorm before writing. What jumps out? The 2 middle groups dominate everywhere. The oldest group is the smallest on all 3 platforms. Twitter skews the youngest, peaking at 40% for 18 to 34. Facebook and YouTube look similar, but YouTube reaches the widest range of ages. The single lowest value is Twitter's 4% for 65 and over. That gives us a clean 4-paragraph plan, an introduction that paraphrases the question, an overview with the 2 big picture features and no numbers, a first body paragraph on Twitter, and a second body paragraph comparing Facebook and YouTube. Introduction. The 3 pie charts illustrate the percentage of users of Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube, split into 5 age brackets, ranging from 10 to 17, up to 65 and over. Overview. Overall, the 18 to 34 and 35 to 49 age groups make up the largest proportion of users on all 3 platforms, while people aged 65 and above form the smallest share throughout. YouTube has the most balanced spread across the age groups, whereas Twitter's audience is the most heavily concentrated among younger adults. Body paragraph 1. Twitter has the youngest user base of the 3. Adults aged 18 to 34 account for a substantial 40% of its users, by far the highest figure in any single category, followed by the 35 to 49 group at 29%. In contrast, just 9% of Twitter users are teenagers aged 10 to 17, and a mere 4% are 65 or older, the lowest proportion anywhere in the data. Body paragraph 2. Facebook and YouTube show broadly similar patterns to each other. On both, the 35 to 49 group is the largest segment, at 30% and 29% respectively, closely followed by the 18 to 34 group, at 29% and 26%. The clearest difference lies at the extremes. YouTube draws a higher share of both the youngest users, at 15%, and the oldest, at 10%, than Facebook, at 14% and 8%. Giving it the widest generational reach. Why does this reach band9? It opens with a clear overview and reports accurate key features. The data is grouped logically and linked smoothly. It uses precise language, like account for, share, and proportion, and it varies its grammar with comparatives and relative clauses. One honest note. Band9 here reflects our own writing quality assessment against the public band descriptors, not certified examiner score. Your turn. Cover the model answer. Write your own overview in 2 sentences, then compare. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.